By the end of this video, it will feel illegal to know these three things. Now, you can't change my mind about this. Most traders lose money in the markets not because they don't know anything about the market, but they know too much about the market. Imagine this scenario. You want to build a house. I give you everything you need. Sand, tiles, pipes, etc, etc. I give you 10 different strategies to build the house, and you decide to use all the materials and all the strategies to build the house. What do you think is going to happen? This is the same exact thing that happens to traders. We are given so much information and so many strategies, and then we try to use all these strategies simultaneously, and then we get fucked over. And so in this video, I am going to help you connect all the dots that you need. If you're new to the channel, subscribe. Let's do this. Step 1 is the foundation. The foundation is the overall market bias. Where is the market headed? Now, the biggest myth that new traders come into the market with is that they need different strategies in order to be profitable in the markets. And this is so much further from the truth. You just need one specific way of analyzing the markets and just stick to it. And for me, I use the failed breakout to know where the market is headed. All you need to do is come to the screen on Wednesday. Now, when you come to the screen on Wednesday, you've not traded yet. You need to do these things. Step 1 is go to settings on TradingView and then go to events and check these session breaks. The session breaks shows you when the day begins and when the day ends. Alright, so you come to Monday. On Monday, all you do is draw the highest point and the lowest point price reached that day. So between the day separator on Friday and the day separator on Monday. Then on Tuesday, your job is to look at the close of Tuesday. Where is the close? Now, in our case, the close is outside of the low here. And so we are not interested in the close when the close is outside. We need this close to be inside of the high and the low of the week. All right. So what do? We adjust our level to the new low of the week. Now, on Wednesday now we do nothing because we don't have that close inside of the high and the low. However, we wait for Wednesday to close. Now, if we look at Wednesday on Euro JPY, where is the close? The close again is outside. All right, not trading. All we do is adjust our low to this level. And then on Thursday, where is the close? On Thursday, the close now is inside. So once we see the close is inside, now we identify our breakout. And this is our breakout. This is what we call a failed breakout. Because a failed breakout is a sell signal if it's at the high or a buy signal if it's at the low. And so automatically I know what I am looking for today. I am looking for opportunities to buy. Now, let's look at a couple of more examples so that you understand it even further. This video is sponsored by Jose Kamau Trading Academy. If you're tired of blowing up your accounts, if you're tired of the frustrations of not understanding where the market is headed, then this is for you. We have a 5-day one-on-one mentorship program that will help you know exactly what to look for in the market, and we shall help you build a trading plan that will help you to grow and scale your account. The available spots are limited because we can only handle 5 guys at a time. So click the link in the description and book your free consultation call now. Back to the video. Same thing occurred on Eurocard. So you come to the screen on Wednesday and then you go back to Monday. Monday sets the high and the low of the week. Then Tuesday breaks out and closes back inside. So this is Tuesday. The close is inside. So we have the breakout, we have the close, which is a sell signal for Wednesday. On Wednesday, price did not break out, just pin the high, which means that we even continue selling on Thursday. And look at that. Yesterday, we got this beautiful sell setup. Same thing for XRP USD, which is a crypto thing. We have Monday setting the high and the low of the week. We have Tuesday staying within the high and the low of the week. And then on Wednesday, price breaks out and closes back inside of the range, giving us a failed breakout. A failed breakout is a sell signal for the next day. Yesterday in the New York session, we got the sell. This brings us to the next level, which is the structure. Now, the structure is the trading day, and this is the most important day because it determines whether you make money or not. So the first thing in the trading day is time. We don't just look at the screen the whole day. The market is divided into 3 sessions, and each session has its optimum time to look at the market. So for Asia, the time that I personally look at the markets is between 9 and 11 p.m. New York time. And then for London, we look at the markets between 3 and 5 a.m. New York time. And then for New York, we look at the markets between 9 and 11 a.m. New York time. Now that you know your time, the next step is drawing your high and low of the day. So let's break down EuroCAD. We were selling yesterday. Step 1 is identify your high and your low of the day. So this is the high of the day, this is the low of the day. And then we identify our levels. Our levels are areas where price is bouncing off of on a horizontal line. And so, first of all, we have this area here. And then we have this area here. All right, beautiful. So our thinking is we don't have a lot of resistance here. If price breaks below this level, there is a very high probability that price will continue to the next level. So if price breaks out like that, next level we are targeting is this level. Simple, nothing complicated. So you just wait for that. So once you have your levels, your entry criteria is the breakout. That brings us to now our most important thing, which is psychology. A lot of beginner traders think that psychology is before you even enter a trade. If you have your foundation right, which is the overall market outlook, and then you have your trading day down to how you enter that market, then psychology only comes into play once you have money at play, because money equals emotions. Wherever it is you are invested, obviously you are going to feel something in terms of either when you gain money or lose money. And so the first thing in psychology is understanding your risk. You need to risk money that you are willing to lose. That way, you are not sitting at the edge of your seat, nervous, thinking, praying to your ancestors, please make the markets move. The next thing is understanding your exit criteria. You cannot just get into the market and then not understand how you are going to exit. And so for me, let me show you my process. So once price breaks below my level, that's my entry. And then I put my stop loss above this candle, a 1-bar candle, a 1-bar stop loss. So this is my exit strategy if I'm wrong. If price comes back above this level, I know I'm wrong and I am comfortable cutting that trade off. And then I am targeting the next level that price has there. And so my exit level is the next level. Now, what happens? Same thing happened yesterday to GU in the London session. So I come to the screen between 3 and 5 a.m. and then I see that, and so same thing happened yesterday on GU. So we have the high and the low of the week in my timing window between 3 and 5 a.m. I also have my levels where if price breaks above those levels, I am in. So I am in. And so what happens? So price actually gave us another level here. Once price broke out, I was in, stop loss was about there. I was targeting this level. Once you know your exit criteria, then you just have to sit on your hands and let the market do its thing, which is now the hardest part. These are the 3 things that feels illegal if you know. Number one, you know your foundation, which is the overall market outlook. Number two is understanding your trading day, which is now the structure and the most important day. And number three is understanding that psychology comes after you have taken a position.